What is up everyone, this is Elton Jukino of Hobbies and Collection, and for today's unboxing we are going to check my new Huawei Watch GT 2E. Basically, this is a new product that has been released last month, April 2020. Now before we do the unboxing, I would like to take a minute to say I hope everything is doing okay. I hope you and your family are healthy and safe. Please stay home guys so we can help our frontliners to do their job and for us to stop this pandemic, and hoping guys that this outbreak will end soon and everything will be back to normal. If you are planning to buy this watch, stay tuned so you can have more information about it and help you to decide whether you are going to buy this item or not. And hopefully it will answer some of your questions after you watch this video. So let's open this item. Inside the box we have the Huawei Watch GT 2E, and as you can see guys, I ordered the black edition or the color black, and this is pretty amazing guys. This is so beautiful. Let's put it right here so we can check what's inside the box. We have the warranty card and we have the manual composed of different languages. And to the other side of the box, we have the charging accessories. We have the Type-C cable and we have the charging dock. As you can see guys, we have the same white color. Same with the other products. Anyways, let's put it inside. We don't want to use this, the serial, so we can check the watch. Okay guys, here it is. This is the Huawei Watch GT 2E. Let's take a look at it. I like the shiny black finish on the plate and matte finish on the strap and base. It's not so thick and bulky smartwatch. First impression guys, the looks is amazing. This is fantastic. This is so beautiful. The build quality, and it's not so heavy, but checking on the build quality, this is well built. The looks is amazing. I'm pretty stunned about it. For the price, so beautiful. I can't wait to put it in my wrist. I think it fits perfectly for me guys, even though I have a slim wrist. Now let's try pairing this watch to our smartphones. Now before we do that, I would like to remind you guys that if you are using a Huawei smartphone, I will guarantee you that this watch will work 100%. However, if you are using a different smartphone, for example, I am using the Samsung Note 10 Lite, you will encounter some issues in some version of the application. I'm going to talk about how to pair your watch to your Samsung or different Android device. And by the way guys, I have a separate unboxing for this smartphone. This is Samsung Note 10 Lite. It's a different video, so you can check it in the description down below. If you're interested to watch the video, you can check it out. So to pair your watch, you need to download the following application. change the watch face, press and hold the screen and select the watch face you want. Now let's talk about the watch. There are lots of watch faces that you can use and you can download them in the Huawei Health application. Swipe left to see the heart rate, stress level, weather, media player, activity records, and sleep monitor. Swipe down to see the top menu and you can see the Do Not Disturb, Show Time, Find Phone, Alarms, and Settings. If you press the upper button, you will see the workout, which include the running courses, outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle, pool swim, open water, mountain hike, trail run, triathlon, elliptical, rower, other, and you can add your specific workout. Second is workout records, where you can see all the summary of your workouts. Third is workout status. Fourth is heart rate, where you can see the heart rate monitoring. SpO2 or oxygen level. Next is activity records. Next is sleep, where you can see the number of hours of your sleep. And next is stress level. Next is breathing. Next is breathing exercise. Next is music, so you can play music locally. And next you have the barometer. And you are also having a compass functionality on this watch. Next is notification. So basically you can see all the notification of your phone, like messages, call status, notification from your Facebook, Messenger, etc. Next is weather. Next is stopwatch, timer, and alarms. So you can basically set your alarm. And next is flashlight. So basically it will light up to white. And next is find phone. And the last one is settings. So basically you can see this to set up your wireless earbuds and display, watch faces, brightness level, and advanced. So basically you can see the sleep time or the screen on how long it will stay awake. Now let's go to pros and cons. First is the price. This is very affordable since the current price of this one is 6,990 peso, and compared to other brands, this is very cheap. Second, looks and design. I like how sleek the design is. The build quality is amazing. This is very comfortable and light. Third is battery life. Single charge will last more than 5 days using normal mode and will last up to 14 days when in battery saving mode. Fourth is functionality. It provides precise and real-time tracking data for 15 professional sports including climbing, running, swimming, and cycling. It supports both GPS and GLONASS positioning system for meticulous route tracking during outdoor workouts. You can also track your heart rate, sleep monitoring, and listen to music while doing workouts since it has 4 GB internal storage. Now let's talk about the cons. First, this is not a smartwatch. For me, this is a fitness watch because most of the functionality are more on fitness. Yes, you can view your messages but you cannot reply on the go. For the smart functionality like replying on your messages, it's not possible. Second, compatibility issue. If you are using Huawei smartphones, I can guarantee you that this watch will work 100%. However, if you are using different device, like for example, in my case, I am using Samsung Note 10 Lite, or possible that you will encounter this in different brands, you will encounter some version issue. Third and last cons is application. Unfortunately guys, you cannot use the Wear OS by Google on this device compared to other brands like Samsung Watch. This watch will only work by using the Huawei Help application. So that's it guys. If you have any question, comments down below. I will answer them as soon as possible. Hope you like my video, and if you do, press a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos like this. Thank you guys again for watching my videos. Stay safe. Peace out.